Welcome to New York Eye Specialists, the right place to have your Lasik vision correction performed. You've come to the practice of Dr. Ken Moadel, the most experienced LASIK surgeon in New York and a nationally recognized leader in the field of LASIK vision correction. People come to us for expert conservative care, which Dr. Moadel provides personally to all our patients. With patient safety as his primary concern, Dr. Moadel provides the highest quality care possible and the most advanced technology from your initial evaluation through your surgery. Over the last decade, Dr. Moadel has evaluated some 100,000 people who would like LASIK vision correction, and he has performed over 50,000 surgeries.
Being able to restore people's vision is a great privilege and it entails great responsibility, which I take very seriously. I try to provide the best care to my patients with the best technology in the very safest manner possible.
Let's hear what a few of our patients have to say about Dr. Moadel's quality of care.
I love not having to wear my glasses. I know I never felt comfortable wearing glasses. I always felt like they were in the way. So it's just a great feeling when you interact with people as well. You just feel more, I feel more comfortable.
The main reason I went with Dr. Moadel, or decided to even have surgery with Dr. Moadel, was when I went in to surgery with my patient, because he wanted me present to hold his hand for his surgery. Dr. Moadel impressed me so much with the ways he explained what was going to be happening with my patient, the type of surgery he was going to do, and all the side effects. And also in treating the patient with respect, treating myself as the patient's doctor with respect. I was very impressed by him, and when I went in for my own consultation, he impressed me all over again as me as the patient.
I've worn glasses since 9 years old. I played basketball as a teenager. I've run 3 New York City marathons as an adult. And with glasses, it was all very, very difficult. Now I can feel the wind in my face and no cage around my glasses when I play basketball.
Under Dr. Moadel's care, tens of thousands of patients have benefited from LASIK vision correction. If you prove to be a candidate, LASIK procedures can correct your nearsightedness, farsightedness, and astigmatism. Properly performed LASIK vision correction is effective. 98% of the candidates eliminate or reduce their need for glasses and contacts. It's quick. The procedure takes less than 10 minutes to perform, and it's very well tested. Millions of patients worldwide have had LASIK procedures performed. Your eyes are precious. They're not replaceable, and correcting them requires expert, specialized care. That's why Dr. Moadel started New York Eye Specialists in 1995. His practice was the first in New York to be dedicated entirely to LASIK vision correction and is considered to be the best. Being totally specialized in LASIK surgery allows us to provide our patients with safer, better results. We've earned a great reputation for quality care with a low rate of problems.
For over a decade now, I've specialized just in doing LASIK, and my entire career has been dedicated to delivering the very best care in one procedure. Just like a master carpenter or a master artist, repetition of a task yields better results and more accuracy. And in specializing one procedure, I think I've been able to deliver the highest quality of care to all my patients.
When the news wants to learn about LASIK vision correction, it goes to an authority. Dr. Moadel has been featured on NBC Nightly News with Tom Brokaw, Fox 5 News, CNN, NBC Today, and New York News 1. He has been noted as one of the best LASIK surgeons by New York Magazine and has appeared in other magazines including Vogue, Self, InStyle, and the New York Times. Dr. Moadel is attending surgeon at Manhattan Eye, Ear, and Throat Hospital and has instructed LASIK courses all over the world. Dr. Moadel's reputation has won him referrals from eye doctors across the country and around the world. Our patients have traveled from other countries to gain the benefits of his experience and medical judgment. Some of the most valuable eyes on the planet have been entrusted to our practice. When Bernie Williams, superstar center fielder for the New York Yankees, needed his multi-million-dollar eyes corrected, he chose Dr. Moadel. Dr. Moadel corrected the vision of world champion and Olympic downhill skier Bodie Miller, who made a worldwide search for the best LASIK surgeon. You don't have to be a world-class athlete to benefit from LASIK vision correction. but it can make a big difference if you're physically active, like many of our patients. Most of our patients, however, simply want to be free to do whatever they want without the bother of wearing glasses or contacts. Dr. Moadel uses his skills and experience with the most advanced laser technology available to provide safe, precise evaluation and treatment. Correcting for nearsightedness, farsightedness, and astigmatism, your LASIK procedure can reduce or eliminate your dependence on corrective lenses. After the treatment, the majority of patients obtain 20/20 vision.
I was very happy with this procedure. It totally changed a lot of my activities where I can see. It's so important for me to see so clearly. I just recently had 3 seasons of minor professional league football. Before the procedure, I would constantly lose my contacts. I went through 2 prescriptions of contacts just constantly popping out. Now with the procedure done, I can see so clearly that I can see across the line of scrimmage and see into the other opponent's eyes. It's just an advantage for me, and it's helped my game so much more.
Dr. Moadel was very friendly, very warm. I felt comfortable. And one of the things I really liked was during the surgery, there was a lot of people around. I felt nervous in the beginning, but there's a nurse or someone, I don't know what her position was, but she held my hand throughout the process, and that really calmed me down. So I thought that was really neat.
Today, you will have one of the most thorough eye examinations you've ever experienced. Assisted by our team of experienced ophthalmologists, Dr. Moadel will perform a complete evaluation of your eyes. As part of Dr. Moadel's evaluation, you will get a good understanding of why you may or may not be a candidate for LASIK vision correction. You will also gain a thorough understanding of the risks and benefits of surgery as they relate to your eyes in particular. Side effects can also include night glare or irregular healing. The shape of your eye will be measured by a computerized camera. Your corneal thickness will be measured. A highly sophisticated camera will check your prescription level with 100 times the accuracy of any manual instrument. Custom view photography translates the unique shape of your eye into digital information to provide a customized treatment. The overall health of your eye, including your eye pressure and the health of your retina, will be determined by traditional means. As you go through your evaluation, be sure to ask Dr. Moadel any questions you may have. Our patients appreciate our careful evaluation.
I was very happy with the service and the procedure that Dr. Ken Moadel provided, that I recommended my sister-in-law who had it done. I have it done, my wife has it done, so I feel fully confident of the procedure.
Well, I found Dr. Moadel and all of his staff here at the office super professional, super attentive. They made me feel very, very comfortable, and they held my hand literally and walked me every step of the way.
Don't be surprised if after your evaluation you learn that you're not a candidate for LASIK vision correction. Because we are so careful with our patients' health, we have probably the highest rejection rate of any practice. Dr. Moadel determines that as many as a third of the people he evaluates cannot be treated safely and effectively with LASIK vision correction.
After we measure these factors, we'll find out whether you're a good or not good candidate for LASIK, and we'll go through a thorough evaluation of the risks and benefits of the procedure as they relate to you. We'll go over some of the potential side effects, which may include night glare or irregular healing of the cornea.
There are 2 types of LASIK vision correction. In traditional LASIK, a skin flap is created on the cornea. Then the laser is applied under the skin flap. Afterward, the skin flap is replaced, much like a bandage. In the epi-LASIK procedure, no skin flap is created, and the laser is applied directly to the cornea. You will benefit from Dr. Moadel's experience and judgment as he decides whether to perform LASIK surgery and how it should be done, and then performs it with the help of our advanced technology.
If you're a candidate for the procedure, your cornea will gently be remolded and reshaped by a state-of-the-art, computer-guided, cool beam laser.
The procedure is quick and painless. You'll be given anesthetic drops beforehand. The laser is a cool beam of light you won't even feel. In just a few minutes, your vision is improved. After the procedure, it's important to go home and rest for a few hours. You may experience some discomfort, but should be able to resume your normal activities the next day. Dr. Moadel's practice enjoys a very high degree of patient satisfaction. Over 98% of our patients have expressed satisfaction with their results. The same percentage say they would have the procedure performed again and would recommend our services to a family member or a friend.
Before I had my surgery done, I was so nearsighted, I literally could only see this far from my face. And then after my surgery, since I've had it done, one of my greatest joys was just swimming in the ocean, not worrying about my glasses or contacts or any of the hassle that goes with it.
I do wear makeup, and wearing makeup when in your glasses, you sort of feel like, you know, they're covering up your face, but I just feel great now that I can just apply my makeup and everyone can really see it, and I feel more confident.
Every time I had to look into the slit lamp, the microscope that would examine the eyes, my glasses would get in the way. It would fog over sometimes on very humid days. And it's so much easier now to be able to look through the machines, all the different scopes, without having to worry about my prescription being off, without having to worry about my eyes being a little too far away from the scope because the lens has to take up some space, and not having to worry about contacts and how my contacts are fitting or feeling that particular day.
We believe that what has made our practice so successful is not only our good results, but our true concern for our patients' health and well-being. LASIK vision correction for nearsightedness, farsightedness, and astigmatism. When you're in the right hands, it's a safe, advanced procedure that can give you better vision without the hassle of glasses or contacts. Thank you again for choosing New York Eye Specialists, Dr. Ken Moadel's specialized practice for LASIK vision correction. If you are a candidate for LASIK surgery, rest assured you've come to the right place and you'll be in the best hands.